friends, now let us come to the point of comparing one person to the other person or one thing to another thing. Now let us first of all see an example. Ajay is tall, his brother is not tall. Here we see a positive degree adjective is given here, tall, and again there is the same adjective given here, but we have to see the difference between tall and not tall. Here the negative word not is added to decrease the quality of tall. That means his brother is not tall compared to Ajay. Therefore, we can give the answer as Ajay is taller than his brother. Now what we have done, this is the adjective, this is the positive form, and we have changed the positive form into comparative form, and then we have added the identification mark of comparative form, that is than, and we have put the lesser qualified person after that. So we are calling it as Ajay is taller than his brother. Now let us see, Vijay is wise, his sister is less wise. See, what is the comparison? Vijay wise and his sister less wise. Here not is equal to less, less is equal to not. That means here the quality of wisdom is less compared to Vijay. So we have the answer, Vijay is wiser than his sister. Again let us see the third example. Sunil is rich, his cousin is not so rich. Sunil rich, greater quality, not so rich, compared to Sunil there is less quality. So we are going to say Sunil is richer than his cousin. Now we should see we are using the verb is in the brackets. That is because according to rule we have to, when we are combining these two sentences, there are two is written, therefore we are showing it as one in the brackets. Dear friends, just now we have seen how we can compare the qualities of two people, the same quality of two people. That for that we have used a method which can be called as the first method. In this method, under this method, we are telling the example is Ajay is tall, his brother is not tall. Here not tall is used here, so we are writing Ajay is taller than his brother. Now we can use a second method, and second method is this: Ajay's brother is not as tall as Ajay. What is the point here? Ajay is tall, his brother is not tall. That means Ajay is taller than his brother. The same thing is we are going to write here Ajay's brother. Now we are taking Ajay's brother from the second part and making it and giving it an important place, and we are calling it as Ajay's brother is not. That means here we are decreasing the quality of Ajay's brother, not as tall as. Here what we are using, the positive degree is written, and before the positive degree we are using as, and after the positive degree we are using as. So this is a combination as plus adjective plus as, and in order to decrease the quality of the adjective we are using not. So this lesser quality goes with Ajay's brother. That means Ajay's brother is not tall. The same thing we are writing here, Ajay's brother is not as tall as Ajay is. And again we can use a third method, and that is we are bringing a new adjective here, a new one, and writing it in the comparative degree. According to the sentence, Ajay is tall, his brother is not tall. So the same thing we are going to write here, Ajay's brother is shorter than Ajay. Shorter than Ajay means Ajay is taller than his brother. So we have got many methods by which we can compare the same thing, and this is how we have to follow the comparison of adjectives in given sentences. See friends, there are many methods of comparing one person to the other person. Here there is one more method, that is we can call it as the fourth method. Here also it is written. Now what we have to remember here is that here the comparison is made, but the adjectives used are of equal degrees, that is positive degree. What is the sentence? Ajay is tall, his brother is also tall. That means according to quality, both are of the same quality. Also tall, that means here we are not using the comparative form, but by using the positive form we are comparing. So let us see the answer. Now Ajay's brother, his brother means Ajay's brother. Ajay's brother is as tall as Ajay. Here what we are using? We are taking the usage of as plus adjective plus as. When we insert as and as, we have to use the positive degree of adjective here for comparison. As tall as is also a method of comparing. So again let us see. Sunil is tall, his brother is equally tall. That means both are of the same height. In that condition, Sunil's brother is as tall as Sunil. Now we are again saying as tall as. So from the examples we have to find out. In one sentence also tall is written, therefore the quality of tallness between these two people are of the same. And in the second sentence equally tall is written, and because of that the quality of Sunil as per tallness and his brother is both are the same. That's why we are calling it as Sunil's brother is as tall as Sunil. Thank you.